Creating a Bybit account. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll explain what Bybit is and how to quickly register on the platform. Leo, what is Bybit? Folks, Bybit is a global crypto exchange founded in 2018 that lets you trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hundreds of other digital assets. I'll leave my referral link in the video description for you to quickly sign up. You can enter your email or phone number, create a password, then click on Create an Account. You can also create an account using Gmail, Apple, or Telegram. I usually use this method to save time. Just click on Gmail or Google to create an account, select your Gmail, then click Continue. Here you'll complete a quick verification. You can click here to allow notifications. I'll click Yes here. Have you created your account yet, folks? It's super quick. You need to verify your identity by clicking here to unlock full access to the Bybit platform. Click on Verify Now. Don't forget to verify your identity. Don't miss my upcoming Bybit videos on how to buy and trade cryptocurrencies. Did you sign up, everyone? Were you able to? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.